Yo! Like, I know how to cook, yeah? But I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo! It's 24-hour kitchen, I'm cooking with Ringo Vision. I've seen it on television, looking like he's on a mission. Cooked a perfect family dinner and I only had to listen. Give me every measurement and everything that I was missing. I needed rice, I needed peas, I needed chicken. My belly started rumbling, the food was finger licking. The food was falling off the bowl and ready for the picking. Ringo had the vision with 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
Yes, people are one 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Welcome to season 5. We're in it right now. Season 5 is kicked off and we're fully involved, people. So yeah, it's a vegan meal today that we're creating, people. So I got my chili pepper in the oil, in my shea butter oil. So what I'm going to be doing today, people, I've got my ingredients, all my ingredients on the table. So I'll show you what I'm going to be using: green plantain, ripe plantain, and that's the first part of my meal that I'm creating for you guys today, people. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leon, big up yourself, car with Daya.
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
man,
yes,
all
yes,
of we
yes.
Daya people.
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
so you
yes.
don't know, so good vibes. So I know me one enough people. Yeah, man, we're there, man. So I'm gonna
Yes.
start peeling up. So
Yeah,
good
man.
vibes. I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna start to just peel my plantain. Everybody knows how to peel plantain. Come in a little bit closer so that they can see where I go on. Everyone knows how to peel plantain, but the meal that we're creating today, people, yeah, is a simple one.
Yeah, so Ringo, what I got now? Let give the people an update. What's going on in the pot right now?
So right now, I'm just peeling my plantain, ripe plantain, and I'm just laying them out in the pot, Leon.
Yeah, yeah.
Just letting them fry up. Come in and have a look. As you can
Yes.
see, they're just frying up with some chili pepper.
Yes.
You understand?
You need that golden brown plantain, you know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
yes, yeah.
Oh, this is food you can eat through the screen.
So look, I've just done the same process that I've done with the ripe plantain, with the green plantain.
Just
So
peeled
what
it up.
So what I'm gonna do now, Leon,
Yeah.
is I'm just gonna do the same process again with the green plantain. And I'm just gonna do some thin slices. Look at that, everyone. Look at that. So we've got the ripe plantain. Look at the color, and we've also got the green plantain that's just been added to the oil. Yeah, man, the shea butter. So good vibes, everybody. So yeah, man, let's wait for the plantain to just go and fry nice and slowly. Yeah, man, we're there. But nicely, what's happening? You can see the colors transforming from the plantain, people. Yeah, so the green plantain and the ripe plantain is there frying up with our chili pepper. Yeah, man, this meal is gonna be an amazing one, everybody. If you like what you see, just put a comment, put a like, and don't forget to subscribe. We're all side. Season 5.
Go, what's going on now? What's the update?
So the update is here, Leon, yeah. You know, so I've never given them like fried yam on the program.
Jeez.
So with the fried plantain as well, they're gonna get the fried yam, because it's a full vegan meal they're getting today, full vegetarian.
Definitely.
Yeah, so a good vibes. So this is just the base of the meal, of like the body, you know, the filler.
Yeah, yeah.
The plantain and the yam, that's the filler, and then we're just gonna make the sauce afterwards to go with it.
Yes, yes.
And that's gonna be like a tomato based sauce that we're gonna make to go with the fryer.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And we're using shea butter today, Leon, provided by yourself, which is a good vibes.
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
man.
yes,
and,
yes.
And it's more healthier as well, right?
Yes, yes. A lot of people don't know you can cook with shea butter, but yeah, it's not just for your skin. It's just like coconut oil. You can cook with it, and
Yeah.
it tastes good, and it's much more healthier.
So have a look, everyone. So as you can see how,
Yeah, I'm just getting chopped up.
yeah, nice and thin.
We got 24-hour kitchen, man. We're cooking some vegan food out here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he's a chef, so yeah. In about, what are you saying, Ringo? 20 minutes, 30 minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? Yeah, you lot can come and have a taster. Why not?
So what I'm doing right now is just turning the plantain.
Looking nice and golden. You can smell it already.
Good vibes. So what we're gonna use in all, Leon, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on them.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we've taken them out of the shea butter oil,
Yeah.
we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on them. So you can tell which ones are green and which ones are ripe.
Yeah.
So the ones that are more this color,
The golden colors are the red plantains.
the ripe plantain,
Okay.
and then these ones are the green plantain.
Yeah.
Are good vibes. Hey Leon, where you get this lamp from? Some old school lamp.
The whole old retro lamp heater, you know what I'm saying? The first people that come to England, they must know about this heater, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Back in the day, that's what people had to use to keep their self warm before the central heating came in, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it. Good old good. Well, it's older than me and you anyway, you know what I'm saying?
Look at this, everybody. If you've ever seen any one of these heating system, yeah, put a comment in the comment section, people, yeah, cause I know normal thing, Leon, him no normal. I don't want normal youth, you know. Yo, you see the youth, him no normal.
We bringing some new thing, old school, new school, mid school, everything
Come on.
mix and blend. You see it? That's it.
Ah, look at that. Nice.
Yes.
Oh, Leon, no, wait. What's this one?
This is a drink made from Ghana, but it's made with natural yogurt and millet.
Hey, I've just had a cup. I want more. Leon, I've never tasted. I've never had this taste in my life. How come I ain't never had this before?
The same way you're introducing me to the cooking thing, I'm bringing in my little bits and pieces. Man, I have fresh info every day. You know what I'm saying? Let me top up the thing. You get me?
Look, people, stop. Nah, people, look at this.
What you say? What you think about the juice? Mad thing. This is the natural juice you need to boost up the strength, you know what I'm saying? Whilst we're cooking, you know what I'm saying? Whilst everything.
So Leon,
Yeah.
creaminess. Look, if you, I like eating stuff, or drinking stuff that's got bits in it. So if you like orange juice and it's got bits in it, and you like certain little things with bits in it, coconut drink and it's got bits in it,
Yeah.
you're gonna love this one.
Yeah, because
This is the mad thing.
yeah,
Now,
that's
Leon,
got some
this is the
natural
mad thing.
millet. Millet is very
don't
good,
even know
high
what
in
millet
it. Yeah, millets is like a form of grains. You know what I'm saying? It's just like corn, but it's smaller, much more healthier, much more energy in it, you know?
I'm not done with this yet. I know he's not gonna give me no more. Yes, people, so
Ringo's kitchen got me in the kitchen for real, bro.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Leon has to get involved. We're just taking out the plant in them.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not a pro chef like Ringo, yeah, so look, you lot don't judge me.
Nah, man, I good vibes, Leon.
Yes.
I good vibes.
Well, you want me to just take the red ones out or everything?
Everything. Because we're gonna start frying up the rest of them. Because we've got the yam that we just peeled.
Yeah.
We're gonna fry up the yam now as well. And after we've done all the fry up, then we can start doing the sauce to eat with it. Yeah. Good vibes.
Yeah. Yes. So what's the day? What's the update? What's the update, Ringo? What's
So the update now, Leon, yeah. I'm gonna put the yam in to fry.
yeah.
Little pieces of yam. Normally when we cook yam, we'll cut them in big chunks and whatnot. But now, because of it's for a different occasion now. Obviously, it's the same occasion, food, but it's for a different purpose of how we're gonna be utilizing the yam today. Not boiling, frying this time.
Yeah.
Frying in shea butter, people.
You know what I'm saying?
So you know, it's a next healthy factor. It's not like we're dousing everything off in a lot of oil. We've not used a lot. We're just using the right amount of
Yeah,
quantity.
as you look in the pan. You can't see that much oil in there.
No. And what I'm adding now in as well, Leon, yeah, is the green plantain.
Oh, the little small pieces.
Yeah, the little small pieces of the last bit of the green plantain.
Yeah, add a little crunch and texture to the meal. You know what I'm saying?
Good vibes.
Ooh.
Yeah.
In your hand, man. What's that?
So this is the all-purpose seasoning mix. If you haven't already ordered one, order one. This is a big support for the channel. If you want to support the channel in other ways as well, you can order a seasoning. Respect everybody. So what I'm gonna do as well, yeah, is use a little bit of this over the yam and the green plantain while it's frying.
So season it up.
Yes, just give it a little coating. Let it just frying that little. You understand, Leon?
Yeah, man, can smell it already.
Yeah. Good.
Yes, sir. How's it going? You good?
Bless. So once that's, because we're almost going into stage 2 now, everybody. So you know, say this is a light, quick meal for the vegans, the vegetarians, the people that like idle food, the people that don't eat meat or fish. You understand?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna start to do now is start to prepare for round 2, which is stage 2, which is the next half of the meal.
Yeah.
You understand? Which is the sauce. So what we're gonna use for the sauce here today, Leon,
Yeah.
we're gonna use a garlic, quite a few sweet tomatoes,
Yeah.
and we're gonna use a bit of parsley, and we've got thyme here. We're gonna use a bit of thyme,
Yeah.
and we're also gonna use a Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah.
Good vibes. So this is what's gonna go into there. This is the sauce, and also we're gonna use a cucumber. So good vibes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use some onion as well.
Yeah. Some red onion. Alright. Catch you on the spin back.
Look at that. Good vibes. So we've got all our ingredients here that we're gonna use to make our sauce now. Yeah, man, I'm gonna make a tomato-based sauce with the garlic, with the red onion, with the parsley and the cucumber, people, yeah, and the Scotch bonnet pepper to give it that heat. Just to go with what? The yam and the plantain that's frying up. Yeah, man, good vibes. Yes, people, I've just sprinkled some Ringo Vision all-purpose seasoning mix over the fried yam, people. So we're just frying up the yam, so good vibes. You can see that the meal's on its way. Yeah, man, this is a full vegetarian meal today, people. Idle or vegan, but no meat today, people, yeah? Yeah, man, it's a good vibration, people, yeah? Alright, we're there. So I'm just turning the yam in the pot. Yeah, man, a good vibe. As you can see, the seasoning is soaking into the yam. Got our chili pepper in the oil, said way. Yeah, man, amazing meal I cook up right now. Vegan meal, people, yeah. Full vegan, healthy lifestyle. Yeah, man, we're there. Good vibes. Good vibes, man.
Yeah, I'm
That
just
drink there.
You're still on the juice, bro. Hey, bro. I got the little last pieces left. I'm still trying to save that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is the last. You get me?
Simple, guys. Quick, easy meal, under 10 minutes. Look at the fried yam, people, with the all-purpose seasoning mix on there from Ringo Vision. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So we're gonna start stage 2 for the next part of the meal and do the sauce. Yeah, man, a quick. You can call it vegan, vegetarian, or idle, but a quick meal, people. 10 minutes or less. This one's gonna take you to do at home, people. Yeah. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. We're there. Yes, everybody, look what I want. So everything done, prepare, cut up, chop up, ready up. You don't know, say yeah, Scotch bonnet pepper, a whole Scotch bonnet pepper is in there, garlic, ginger. Is it coriander, yeah?
Yeah.
Coriander, and we've got the cucumber, the tomato, red onions. Let's go.
Yes, they said the stir fry now, yeah?
Let's go.
Yes, you can hear it sizzling.
And you know what I'm gonna use, isn't it, Leon?
Yes, the Ringo spice, you know what I'm saying?
This is the whole point of having the little jars, the little tubs, and their fingers. So if you're the person that's always cooking and you've got your thing in the kitchen, you see how easy it is to utilize it. So to show you what I want right now, people. So you know, say it's a tomato, cucumber, a good vibes. Yeah, man, look at that. It's a simple one today, people. I'm showing you, say, raw. Look at the chili pepper. The chili pepper is still in there. Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger, coriander, red onions, cucumber, tomatoes. It's just gonna cook down now, and we've already got our right plantain, green plantain, and yam. So it's a quick, simple vegan meal, people. Yeah, easy. It's effective. It's filling. It's delicious. It's gonna have a array of flavors going on in there, especially with this section of the meal here. What's going on? Oi, nice one. Yeah, man. And then I can show you that this is for next meal. Yeah, but I can show you, say, right now we've got everything covered up. You can see. Look at the yam. Everything's fried up and covered up. So we're just waiting for the second part of the meal, people. Yeah, man. We're outside, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Look at all those little grains that you can see. That's the all-purpose seasoning mix here. Guan and with things. Oh, I can't wait to taste them tucking. Woo! Hot. Yeah, things are gone. So we're using the plate as a lid. 1 second, everybody. Look at that. Yeah. Leon.
Yeah.
Come.
Yes, well, go on, Ringo. What's going on in the kitchen? Jeez.
Steamers.
Yes. Camden, you're missing out, bro. You're missing out. The food looking good and smelling good, bro. What are you saying?
Come
yes.
on. Yeah, man, a vegan meal, more or less ready now still, people. Yeah, man, we're going to start serving up now. A good vibes. So this is perfect, everyone. The color that I was looking for, that red tomato base color. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So we're just going to make this cook down for a little bit longer. And then, yeah, we're going to turn off our pan and just serve up 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision, people, yeah. So, you know, so we've got our tomato base sauce. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Steve, come in. I just took the lid off. So we can see what.
Yeah, it smells good.
So what we've got, but what are you like with spices?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Quite spicy?
That's how I like it.
Good.
Ringo, what are you saying? What's the update? The meal's ready, getting dished up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yes. This ain't gonna be like the normal vegan food you get to taste. With no flavor and all of that. I'll go in a restaurant and I order like the normal meal everyone eat and say, can you not put no meat? Yes, because it's gonna taste much better than the vegan. They just feel like vegan people don't. Yeah, they like they
So,
ain't got no
Leon,
taste or
So
something.
this is our meal for today, everyone.
Jeez.
It's our vegan meal. So we've got plantain, yam, we've got our tomato base cooked down with cucumber, garlic, ginger, coriander, and Scotch bonnet pepper to just give you that heat. Yeah, man, we're outside, people. So
Okay, good. That smells good too.
So that's a plantain. Yeah, and we've got plantain. What's the pepper like?
A little bit of heat coming through. Nice, tasty. It's good.
Yeah?
It's good.
Good vibes, people. So I'm gonna do a next plate for the missus. Good vibes.
What do you think?
It's tasty.
A bit spicy?
No, it's good. Like a little bit of heat. Not...
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not,
not too
it's
much,
not too
yeah.
spicy.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
it's
if
all right.
it's rubbish, yeah.
You'll be able to see it on my
Let it
face,
go,
right?
yeah.
Oh, thank you.
What's the fried yam like?
Yeah, tasty.
I think I've got a
That's
really
good.
crispy bit.
Yeah.
There we go, I got it. What's this one? Cucumber.
Cucumber, yeah.
Right. I don't usually like cucumber, so the fact I'm trying it for you is like a thing.
Textures.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The yam has a lot more flavour than potato does.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
does.
It's a bit more starchy as well.
No, that's really nice.
Yes, everybody. So you don't know, say we're there.
You know
So,
what, go on. What you say? You need to start dish up the thing, go.
yeah, man, we're there, man. This is what's happening, people.
You forget about the cameraman, bro. Just because you get the guests in the ring, you know what I'm saying?
Leon
Yes.
needs to get dished up, people.
Yo,
Alright.
let me taste the thing and let me see if the flavors is kicking. 'Cause they
Alright.
might be lying, you know what I'm saying? Trust me. Yes.
Yes, everybody. So our completed meal today. Leon, big up yourself, car.
What you saying?
Yeah, man.
Bro, this look like a restaurant thing, you see it? The food's so decorative
Nice
and that.
fancy presentation.
Innit? You want some free ground? No, you sure? Yeah, yeah, maybe after. No, bless.
That's good.
That's how good food's supposed to taste.
But are you serving English as well,
Yeah.
or just Jamaican?
It's just. I wouldn't.
It's food.
It's food.
Yeah,
food.
But you got to remember.
There's no culture to it, so it's
Yeah,
just
but you got to remember the demographic.
yeah.
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 The demographic is if it's too hot,
Yeah.
English like curries, which are hot.
Yeah.
But when it comes to other foods, they like it a little bit milder.
Yeah,
so this
yeah,
is
yeah.
a little bit too hot.
Okay.
Yeah, for me, this is where my
perfect.
mom,
Yeah.
the way our moms cook.
Yeah.
Yeah?
But at least that's honest feedback.
I like
yeah.
that. I like that. So he's giving me the feedback and say if I'm cooking for the English, basically, yeah, tone down
Yeah,
the
just
Scotch
it
bonnet.
should
Yeah.
be middle, so it's
Yeah.
good for everybody.
But don't forget, you can do two.
Yeah.
You can do a mild,
Yeah.
a medium,
Yeah.
or a hot.
Yeah. But I
Yeah.
feel like if we have it in the middle, like medium, everybody, like, you know what I'm saying?
Lot
It
more people.
Yeah, it goes for everybody. And
Exactly.
then you can then add
Exactly.
if you want to add some more
Now-
sauce, you know what I'm saying?
Serving this, right, you can serve it two ways. Are you serving it with anything else?
That's it.
That's it. Right. How would I serve it? Right, you want them to eat the plantain and everything else with it.
Yeah.
So do this. Make salsa,
Yeah.
yeah? Put the salsa on the bottom,
Yeah.
yeah? Put your plantain.
Yeah.
Then put the mixture in the middle,
Yeah.
the hot mixture
Yeah.
or the mild mixture. Then
Okay.
put the plantain on top.
Yeah.
And then get something like, we have yogurt in Jamaica, but we don't usually use it. But
Yeah,
we can
yeah.
use a yogurt.
Yeah.
Just
Just,
to
to
screw-
balance out
Yeah.
the heat.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it's decoration as well.
Yeah.
Now,
But
we,
you can
we have
have to get-
coriander,
Yeah.
yeah? Or parsley.
Yeah. We put
Yeah.
some coriander in there. Yeah.
Just a sprinkle of parsley.
Yeah.
You got yourself a dish, man.
Yeah.
You hear that, people? So I just got a next chef here. He's giving me a live critic, and I like that. You know, say on the program, we don't get people that come. The people say, "Yeah, Ringo, the food nice. Yeah, the food this and that." But where I'm getting this feedback here, I'm hoping that you guys that are watching it as well are enjoying the fact say, he's giving me a real live feedback. So it's enough time when you guys say, "Yeah, Ringo, the food look nice." But it could be looking nice, you guys, yeah, and it could be budding off your mouth when you taste it.
Yeah.
You get me? So it's good to get this feedback for the channel, everybody, yeah? So big up yourself and
But
respect.
it's all about presentation.
Yeah,
Because people eat with their eyes.
yeah,
And if you can make it look nice,
yeah.
you sold it.
A good vibes.
Yes, man.
Okay? Yeah.
The vegan meal. Thank you very much, everybody that was in the episode. Thank you very much. Stay tuned to the next time again, people. You don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, people. It's a simple vegan, vegetarian, ital meal today, people. Yeah. Fry yam, fry green plantain, fry ripe plantain, people. Yeah. And then we just made a sauce with the tomato and the garlic and the ginger and the cucumber. Mad move. See you later, everyone. Yeah. You don't know, so we're outside.